Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you the secret, the recipe that dentists are hiding from us. It removes any stains of your teeth and it whitening the teeth at home and will get you pearl white teeth with very simple ingredients at home. You can whitening your teeth and you can get an amazing results, my friends. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. The first ingredient we need is 1 garlic clove, and cloves of garlic whiten the teeth naturally. So peel it off like so. You need to peel the garlic off like that. Now we need to shred it. Or grate the garlic like that. A small piece of garlic like so. Garlic whitening the teeth and will get you an amazing results, my friends. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or grounded coffee. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Like that. Mix well the ingredients. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Add 1 small teaspoon of toothpaste. Like that, my friends. And mix well the ingredients again. Now we get our magical remedy is ready. How to use it? With your toothbrush, dip in the toothbrush into the remedy like so, and brush your teeth from up to down and from down to up like so. Keep brushing your teeth for 1 minute and you will notice a great result, whitening the teeth literally, and will turn it to pearl white. And my friends, the result will amaze you. Use it 2 times daily to achieve the best result ever. It protects the enamel and it whitening the teeth without causing any problem. The teeth tartar will fall on its own, and my friends, you will notice a great results from first use.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.